In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion sub-items, often referred to as subtasks. Many of us have experienced the frustration of juggling multiple tasks, and Notion provides an elegant solution to manage your to-dos in a more organized way. So, let's dive into how you can effectively utilize sub-items within Notion to streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. First, you'll want to navigate to your connected Notion workspace. This is where all your wiki pages, documents, and projects are neatly organized. You can either start from a blank page or open a project you're already working on. Landing inside your workspace, you'll notice how flexible yet structured everything appears, providing a perfect balance for your diverse range of tasks and projects. When you're ready to get started, you'll need to log into your Notion account if you haven't already done so. Just click on the Login button on the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials, and you'll be directed straight to your Notion home. This is your central hub where you can access everything with just a few clicks. From your home screen, direct your attention to the Database button. It's usually somewhere on the left panel, and acts as a springboard to your various projects and tasks. Clicking on it reveals a well-organized list, and this is where you can start managing your tasks by creating databases for them. Once you're in the database, it's time to explore the Settings option. Clicking on the Settings will bring forth a set of customizations suited to tweak your experience, ensuring everything is set up just the way you need it to be. You'll find this particularly useful if you're managing complex projects that require detailed tracking. Next, click on More Settings. This option allows you to further refine how your databases and pages appear and function. Pay close attention to the configurations available here, as they offer deeper customization options, enhancing your ability to manage tasks efficiently. Finally, you'll come across the Sub-items option within the Settings menu. By clicking on Sub-items, you gain access to creating subtasks within your main tasks. This functionality is indispensable for breaking down larger tasks into smaller, manageable parts. Not only does this help in organizing your workload better, but it also ensures nothing falls through the cracks, allowing you to maintain a clear overview of your entire project. Having sub-items helps you track the progress of each component individually, ensuring you remain ahead of deadlines and on top of priorities. As a final tip, make sure to regularly update your subtasks as you make progress, which will help keep your project's status accurate and up to date. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on using sub-items in Notion. With these steps, you can efficiently manage your tasks and maximize your productivity. Remember, the key is to regularly review and update your sub-items to reflect your progress. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing!